The Department of History and Philosophy, as well as the Philosophy Society, welcomed guest speaker Stephen Ward on Wednesday. Ward is a PhD student in Hebrew Bible and Egyptology at UCLA. His speech centered around an ancient document known as Amherst 63, which contains an Israelite psalm, despite being an Egyptian papyrus.
I think I was really trying to emphasize how different this culture was than we often assume. So, and then also just the fact that, there's just so much out there to still study. So hopefully maybe encouraging somebody to want to dive in this area.
Although the document was discovered in the late 19th century, scholars have had a difficult time throughout the years of translating it, due to it being written in a different script than the language.
The good thing is that a lot of people have worked on it, so a lot of the signs there are identifications for. Of course, there are some signs which might have been identified, but they could have been false identifications. So there's definitely a level of difficulty in trying to work through the text and trying to separate opinions as well as kind of figure out what's going on.
While not a typical class setting, students were encouraged to attend the lecture. Dr. Zhangbin Lim, a professor in the philosophy department here at Troy University, talks about the importance of having guest speakers for students.
Yeah, we have wonderful world-class faculty members here at Troy University, but once you have guest speakers, you will have a chance to be exposed to new worldviews and new ideas and most recent updated theories and argumentation, stuff like that, which is very important to know what's going on in our contemporary society.
Simon Schussler, Troy, TrojanVision News.